How to upload photo in ChatGPT in Google. If you wish to upload a photo in ChatGPT on your Google, what you do is you simply use ChatGPT on Google Chrome, let's say. So open your Google or your browser and simply go to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Aside from that, you can also see that I actually just have a free account and I do not even have a paid account, and I'll show you what you can do in this case. So even on my free account over here, you can see I can just tap on this plus icon which is located towards the bottom, and there I can find the option called add photos from the very top. So I can tap the add photos option, tap on it, tap the done button, and now you can see whether I'm on Google or even on the app, right? So even if I go to the app version, I can simply choose to select photos and simply upload a photo, whereas on my web version also I can tap the plus icon, tap on add photos and simply add a photo like this and ask or analyze anything about that particular picture. This way I can upload photo in ChatGPT in Google. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.